and welcome back to part 2 of my video. Thank you for your patience. This video will be a product review and just giving you guys insight into my routine and what has helped restore my hair in the past few months. So today is wash day, just assessing my hair. And I'm going to start with listing the products. So first, MediHerb Hair Shampoo is a locally made herbal shampoo soap, and it worked really amazing with my hair over time in restoring moisture. It's got a bunch of essential oils. I'll put a link in the description below. And I combine this with Head and Shoulders Smooth and Silky. Now, this is a clarifying shampoo, but it is amazing in reducing frizz, and also it does not strip out the color from the hair. So, also for my scalp, I use VITAFRO Hair Lotion, and it is amazing. It's a local product, but I will put something in the description box about it. Then last but not least is my moisture splash, my conditioning spray, which is a miracle worker. And I'll get back to how I came back to using it and why I had stopped over time. So just back to assessing my hair, I think someone had asked me if I used a grid to start my locks, and no, I did not use any grid. I just went with the flow, and because I've combined my hair over time, it really would not even show that I've actually used a grid. So that I think is just a factor for me that I really didn't put mind to. And my hair is shoulder length now. It's been 2 years and 9 months, and that's really exciting. But at the same time, I'm happy that I got to restore my hair and not have to shave it off after my color mishap. So for the next part of the video, I will be just showing you guys how I get into my washing with the hair soap and then with Head and Shoulders. So this is how the hair soap looks. It's really not intimidating to use. It lathers up quite quickly. So what I do is I dampen my hair, and then I start at the root of my locks, then get to the ends. So interestingly, the idea to combine these two shampoos came to me at my most desperate time. I think I mentioned in my previous video when I had tried to use a leave-in condition product which was meant for loose natural hair on my locks, and it was attached to my locks, and it took a crazy amount of time to get out, which left my hair even drier than it was before. So I walked into a store and I was looking at the different clarifying shampoos and the properties that they had. So I knew that this particular brand, being Head and Shoulders, and then having this smooth and silky combination would not strip any further moisture from my hair. So MediHerb, I had started to use it the first time I colored my hair in December. What I was not good at was just being consistent, because I have quite a thick head of hair, and so I thought it was costly to use like a bar only twice only on 2 washes, and I thought that was going to be more expensive for me. But in the long run, I should have just stuck to the MediHerb hair soap, because it was something that worked really well the first time. I didn't use any conditioner afterwards. So that was really something that I should have stuck with. But well, now I think I've learned my lesson and it's been working well. So coming back to my moisturizing routine, I had stopped using my favorite product, which is the Moisture Splash, for a while, and this is only because the prices had skyrocketed, and I just felt really bummed about that. So I tried to use a combination of other essential oils, but they were not enough to help with the damage that I was experiencing, as in the severe dryness and the brittleness of my hair. So I did just have to get back to it. That was in March or April, and use it faithfully, like use it every day on the shaft of my locks and the ends. And then for my scalp, I would use VitaFro. So VitaFro is a local product, and it's something that I grew up with in my childhood, but I sort of lost along the way. But it's something that some family members had been using recently, and it worked amazing for restoring damaged hair. So that was something I saw with my own eyes, and I was like, you know what, I'm jumping on board. I didn't lose much hair off my roots, but I did feel like the potential to lose um, hair from my hairline was there. So it was really good at really thickening my roots again. I started to have extra new growth like really really fast. So I don't really use it at the shaft of my hair, but it does actually really work well for scalping. So after putting the two together, I just put my hair in braids and then wait for it to dry. Air drying sometimes, but in winter or cold season, what we call cold season here, I do blow dry my hair. So I put heat at the minimum because I don't want any further damage, but just to get my hair to a point where I don't find myself sleeping with wet hair. And so this is how my hair looks at the end of my wash and my moisturizing routine, and when it's dry. So a word of caution to DIY lovers like myself: if you're going to dye your hair, please follow through with a good moisturizing routine. Don't make any color corrections in the shortest amount of time, and just really take extra care of your hair because it's your crown. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be back with more videos, more content for you.